Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to decorate some simple sugar cookies just with using our circle cutter. And we're going to do a Santa belly and a Grinch belly, and then I'm going to show you a wet on wet technique. So here are some samples. And to begin with, we're going to do our Santa belly. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your cutout sugar cookie, and you want to do just a circle outline with your prepared royal icing. Now when I get started, I like to give my royal icing, I kind of hold it shut because it's already been cut, and I give it a little massage, okay? Because sometimes the royal icing can get a little stiff and it can actually block your little tip where you've cut the opening. So if that happens, you want to make sure you have a paper towel and you just squeeze it a little bit just to get it out. Again, always do a little sample line to make sure that the royal icing is going to come out. And go ahead and do your outline. Now I just freehanded it, but if you feel more comfortable, you can always take a marker, draw out your circle, and then follow your line, okay? So I've already pre-done the circle, and now we're gonna flood it. And flooding is just, you're just filling it in. Now once you've got enough in there, you can take your trusty toothpick, my favorite tool, and you just drag to the edges to fill it in, okay? And it won't go anywhere because you've already done your outline. And this outline I let dry, so it's nice and hard, but you don't have to. You can just do the outline and start flooding right away. It should keep its shape, and that's why you don't want to go right to the edge of the cookie. If you do, you're gonna overflow your cookie, okay? Not that that's very hard to fix, but when you're first starting, it gets a bit messy. Okay, so once you have your cookie flooded, you just let it dry. I happen to have one that's already dry. And we're going to do Santa's belt. Okay, so now we're ready to do Santa's belt. Again, I've taken my black prepared royal icing and I give it a little massage, you know, just to make sure that there's no little lumps or hard pieces in there. And again, I want to just squeeze out a tiny bit on my paper towel just to make sure that my tip is not plugged, okay? And you can take your edible marker and you can draw an outline of just a little how Santa's belt would look, okay? So you can draw that on. What I've done is I've just freehanded it, okay? But if you feel more comfortable following an outline, by all means, get one of these little pens from the bulk barn and use it and draw on your design. So here we go. Let's see how steady I am. So squeeze gently and just and fill. And here it's not, I'm not letting it dry. I'm just going to go ahead and fill it. Okay. And again, my little toothpick with my glasses. We're going to just drag and fill in any little holes that we might have and make it look nice and uniform. Okay. Once you're happy with that, you can just set it aside to dry. And I have one that's dry. Again, now we can do the buckle and add a little beard. So here is my royal icing again. Got to give this one a massage, and I got to cut the tip. And let's make sure that we got a good good amount coming out. So we can add the buckle in the middle. So you can just do a little, I like to do it square, but you can go ahead and do it in a little circle design. And you're going to let that dry. And we can just freehand a little beard. Okay. And you can just fill that in, and then afterwards we can use our toothpick to give it more of a defined shape. Okay, it's nicely filled. Grab our toothpick, give them some cute little whisker points. So you can make your beard look any which way you like, okay? This one I did upside down, so hopefully it looks nice, or good enough. There. So now you've got your Santa belly cookie.